In this tutorial, I'll be showing you some more specific things that you can do in a report, such as canceling a transaction, editing documents, or downloading completed documents. So to begin and to review from the last video, to access a specific report, you'll need to find the Reports tab at the top of your screen, which is right here, and then you'll click on that tab to reveal a drop-down menu. Today, I'll be showing you the Leave application, but keep in mind that your options in this list will vary based on what documents your school has purchased. Now that I have the report pulled up, the first thing I want to do is pull up some more information. And again, this will vary based on what it is that you're looking for. So for this example, I'm going to keep it on the last 30 days, and then I'm also going to go ahead and search for the first name, Sally. So once I have that all filled out, I'll press Find Matching. And this is actually the exact transaction that I was looking for. But the thing I really wanted to show you is actually going to be the Edit and View buttons, which are all the way to the left right here. Now the Edit button, which is this button right here with the pencil icon, will allow you to make changes to the document, such as if you needed to change the location or the date of an event. And the View button, which is this one right here with the magnifying glass, allows you to essentially preview the document, but you won't be able to make any changes to it. Now, all the way on the other side of your screen, you'll notice this Completed Docs button. This is another helpful way to download documents at any point during the workflow of the document. And you also have the ability to choose the file format for this. We typically use PDF, so that's what I have selected, but you do have some other options for that. Down below, you also have a few different selections. You'll have different options here depending on which report you're looking at. The latest document means that you're downloading the most updated version of the form. This will contain all signatures and approvals that have been done at that point. You can also download a specific point in the workflow. So for example, you could download what the initiator filled out, and this download won't contain any signature or approval information from other parties. Today, I'll go ahead and download the latest option. And once I have that selected, I'll go ahead and press Download Selected. And as you can see, that's successfully been downloaded to my device. Now, the next thing I want to show you is how to cancel transactions. You might cancel a transaction if it's no longer applicable. So for example, if an employee submitted a leave request, but if for whatever reason they'll no longer be absent, then you would cancel their request. So to do that, I need to select the line of information I want. Today, I'll be canceling the transaction for Sally Test. So I'll go ahead and select that line. Now, just for your information, this box is where our team goes to diagnose issues. So a lot of this you won't need to mess with. However, there are two things you can do in this box. For your purposes, you can view where a transaction is at in the workflow right here. So as you can see, so far in this transaction, the first party or the initiator, or typically the employee, has completed their portion. Now we're on the second party, which in this case is going to be some sort of supervisor, or in our case, it would be my boss, who I'm just waiting for them to approve or deny my transaction. Now, if I wanted to cancel something, I'll go up here where it says change status or add log record. This is where you're going to be able to cancel. Now, you'll notice that if I select this button, it's going to provide you with an error message. This is essentially just asking you to go ahead and provide a reason for why you're canceling this transaction. And you can put anything in this field, but I'm just going to go ahead and put not applicable. And then once you've provided a reason, then you can go ahead and press change status and cancel the transaction. Now, if I were to return to the report, I can go ahead and press Find Matching again, and you'll see that the status has been changed to canceled instead of in progress. So that's actually going to be all I have for this tutorial today. And as usual, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us at goodbyetopaper@gmail.com.